Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the UI color on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on wallpapers and style. From here, just tap on colors, and from here you can select any color from the available over here. And also you can tap on custom, and in custom you can create a custom color for your smartphone, just like that. And also you have the option of wallpaper colors, and in wallpaper colors it will extract colors from the wallpaper on your smartphone to apply to the system on your smartphone. Now as you can see in the preview, I'm changing the colors of the system UI on my smartphone, just like that. Now just select a color. I will select this color. Now as you can see, we have successfully changed the system UI color on our smartphone. And this is how you can change the system UI color on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.